So we had seen arithmetic mean in the past. So what was arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean, you sometimes call it average also. If two numbers are given a comma b, then if you do a plus b by 2, it is arithmetic mean. Okay. Now there is a concept called geometric mean. Geometric mean. And geometric mean is what? The same two numbers are given. You multiply those two numbers a into b and take a square root. This is a geometric mean. If the two numbers are same, let's say one number is 9, a is 9, a is 9, b is also 9. Then arithmetic mean will be 9 plus 9, 18 divided by 2 is 9. And geometric mean will be what? Geometric mean will be square root of 9 into 9, which will also be 9. If two numbers are equal, then arithmetic mean and geometric mean are same. But if the numbers are not equal, then they are not same. So for example, a is 2, b is 4. Okay, second example is this: a is 2, b is 4. Arithmetic mean will be 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 by 2, 6 by 2, which is 3. Geometric mean will be 2 into 4, okay, and square root of that, square root of 8. So these two are not equal. So if the numbers are not equal, arithmetic mean and geometric mean will not match. But the important thing is this, that geometric mean is square root of the multiplication of the two numbers. Now let's go to the theorem. So we will do the same thing again, which means altitude to hypotenuse theorem, which we had seen earlier. We will draw the same thing again now. So this is a 90 degree, and then I'll name it also ABC, and then this is D, and this is also 90 degree. So earlier we saw that these three triangles are similar. This triangle, and the entire triangle is similar. That was the previous theorem which we just saw. Now, geometric mean for a leg. This theorem is called geometric mean for a leg. If altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, then the length of either leg is the geometric mean of the length of hypotenuse and the length of segment of hypotenuse adjacent to the leg. Which means in this case, if I have AB as the hypotenuse, and this is what BC is one leg and AC is one leg. If I have to take BC, BC will be equal to AB, AB meaning the full hypotenuse into BD. So BC is equal to complete this and BD. Similarly, when you take AC, AC is another leg. AC will be equal to AD, this small thing. First you take the full hypotenuse, which is AB. Here also it is AB, and the segment is AD into AD. So in case of BC, it is BD into BA. Okay, BD into BA. In case of AC, it will be AD into AB. So this is the geometric mean. This is what the theorem says. It is very easy to prove this theorem. Let's quickly, because it is easy to prove this theorem, let's prove this theorem as well. Now, in the previous case, we have already seen what we saw was triangle ABC was similar to triangle CBD. Okay, I'm not going to prove it again, but triangle ABC is the complete triangle is similar to triangle CBD. Okay, this triangle and this whole triangle was similar. So if they are similar, then what is the ratio of similitude says? Ratio of similitude in a similar triangle is equal. So AB is to BC. AB is to BC will be equal to BC is to BD. Okay, so take the full triangle. In the full triangle, AB is to BC. AB is to BC. In the small triangle, this triangle, in this triangle, what is the hypotenuse? This will be equal to BC is to BD because they are similar triangles. So ratio of similitude will be equal. Okay. And if it is equal, now you just do a multiplication, cross multiplication. It will become BC square equal to AB into BD. Okay, BC square will be, and then you take a square root at both sides. BC will be equal to square root of AB into BD. Okay, that's how you solve this theorem. So okay, so there are some questions on this proof. So let's see one more time. Okay, so this angle is X. This angle is Y. Then this angle will be X and this angle shall be Y. Till here it is clear, correct? So this means if I have to take the triangle, the entire thing, if I have to take triangle, if I have to take triangle CBD, C is starting from Y, B and finally 90 degree, Y, X and 90. Triangle CBD will be similar to which triangle? Triangle CBD starting from 90 BD will be similar to what? It will start from 9. It is starting from Y, then X, A, C, D. Triangle A, C, D. Correct? Because it is starting from what? Y. Correct? Y, X, and this. And in the whole triangle, it will be similar to triangle what? Y, X, and 90. A, B, C is similar to triangle A, B, C. Till here, you have any question? These three triangles would be what? Similar. Is it clear? So if they are similar, I'll take only two triangles. This triangle and this triangle. ABC shall be similar to CBD. Then the ratio of AB to BC. AB, this ratio to this ratio. AB to BC. Okay, CB and BC both are same. Will be equal to BC to BD. BC to BD. Correct, because they are both ratio of similitude. This is ratio of similitude, and we know in a similar triangle, ratio of similitude is equal. So AB to BC will be equal to BC to BD, and then you cross multiply BC square, and that's how you got that BC is AB into BD ka square root. Okay, that's the theorem.